Camera set. Action. My name's James Tonkin. I'm an independent filmmaker. I was really drawn to getting my hands on and testing the Eterna because it's, on paper, everything I love in a camera. It's small, it's really easy adaptable to handheld. It's very cleverly engineered that it's got internal NDs, it's got all of the sort of things that make it the sort of camera that I want to pick up and use. But as a fundamental starting point, it's got the image that I'm excited about. A camera lives and dies by its image. It's a meeting of worlds.
This film is about memory and regret, and it really boils down to one moment in a man's life that he has lived with.
So we decided to actually create a storyline where we would shoot one section of our narrative purely as anamorphic, then allowing us to shoot different sections of our narrative in terms of memories in a spherical format.
Something that James and I are chasing is a cinematic image.
I can put a multitude of different lenses in front of the sensor. I'm seeing bits of the glass that I've never been able to see before. The images coming out of camera have been so straightforward. I've immediately got something that I'm really, really confident in. I'm happy to share with the rest of the post-production team. And having that confidence means that we can be really, really fast. I'm always interested in the file, which gives me the sort of the richest negative. And the thing I think which I found really exciting about this is just seeing how strong the colors are in the Eterna. It's just doing something that I really, really love in the skin tones. The creative of the narrative we came up with was to really push the camera into different lighting scenarios, filming at night in the rain, filming in the day with bright backlit sunlight situations, to really kind of look at the sensor in all its glory, and it excelled with flying colors. One thing I wasn't expecting was how obsessed I would quickly become with the 4:3 open gate image. We were going to shoot open gate, but actually do a letterbox crop across everything. And then as soon as we started to see the full height and the aspect ratio, we just couldn't unsee it. It was something that's so different. And from shooting for decades, always framing everything for a sort of more conventional 2:35 or 2:40:1 aspect ratio, to suddenly be looking at a completely different way of viewing. It's just really exciting. It's a completely different way for me to frame, and it was unique from this camera's perspective. Just allowing me to see things in a different way, and that's what's so exciting.